We're planting shelling peas today, one of the most delicious browsable crops in the spring garden. Okay, we're planting from seed, the traditional way. And one thing you want to know about the legumes are that they do better if they're inoculated with a certain type of bacteria, which they actually work in conjunction with these bacteria to produce nitrogen. Not so much produce, but to fix it out of the atmosphere, if you can believe that. So how do we inoculate the seed? We dampen them, and then we dust them with this magic inoculant, which comes in a little bag. And these are dried bacterial organisms. And you can see we just basically dust them in so that there's a little contact between the seed. And now my seed are inoculated, and I can lay them in my trough at about 2-3 inches apart. Notice I don't fuss over ceremony. As long as we get a track of peas, that's what counts. And that's probably all we need for now. And finally, we want to gently cover that track of peas with pure earth, no weeds. See, weed material goes out. We want to cover carefully. And then mark the spot. Cover it with mulch, mark the spot. And in about 8 to 10 days, maybe sooner if we get some rain, we'll be seeing some real beautiful action. And there you have it.